Hi, Ramiz. How do you usually spend your free time?
Hi, Eliza. In my free time, I like to relax and do things I enjoy.
That sounds nice. What kind of things do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and sometimes watching movies.
Reading is a good habit. What type of books do you like?
I mostly read motivational and self-development books.
That's great. They help us improve ourselves.
Yes, they also help me stay positive.
I also enjoy reading, but I prefer storybooks.
Stories are interesting. They help improve imagination.
True. Reading also improves vocabulary and communication skills.
Yes, that's why I try to read daily, even if it's for a short time.
Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I like walking, jogging, and playing badminton.
That's good for health. I enjoy walking too.
Walking is simple but very effective.
What about indoor hobbies?
I like listening to music and sometimes cooking.
Cooking is a useful hobby. What do you like to cook?
I enjoy trying simple recipes and learning new dishes.
That's interesting. Cooking at home is healthy too.
Yes, and it also saves money.
In my free time, I like watching videos and learning new skills online.
That's a good use of time.
What kind of videos do you watch?
Mostly educational videos and English learning content.
That helps improve confidence.
Yes, especially speaking skills.
Do you spend time on social media?
Yes, but I try to limit my time.
That's smart. Too much social media wastes time.
Exactly. I prefer productive hobbies.
Do you have any creative hobbies?
Sometimes I write short notes or ideas.
Writing is a great habit. It improves thinking.
Yes, and it helps clear my mind.
I like drawing in my free time.
That's creative. Drawing relaxes the mind.
How much free time do you usually get in a day?
Around 1 to 2 hours.
How do you manage your time?
I plan my day and finish important work first.
That's a good habit.
Yes, planning makes life easier.
Do you think hobbies are important?
Yes, hobbies reduce stress and make us happy.
I agree. They give balance to life.
Without hobbies, life becomes boring.
Do you like learning new hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
What hobby would you like to learn in the future?
I want to learn a musical instrument.
That's wonderful. Music is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps reduce stress.
I want to learn photography.
That's a nice hobby. It improves creativity.
Free time is very valuable.
Yes, we should use it wisely.
Balanced hobbies make life enjoyable.
Absolutely. Work and hobbies should go together.
I enjoyed talking about hobbies with you.
Me too. It was a nice conversation.
Let's continue sharing our hobbies regularly.
Sure. See you next time.
Bye, take care.
Bye.